Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Hamza, and in today's video we are going to be talking about 4 ways you guys can invest in real estate today. It's interesting times. I know a lot of you in the back of your heads are thinking, is it the right time to get into investing in real estate? Hey, you know what? A lot of you have been sitting on the sidelines waiting for exactly this opportunity. I can tell you firsthand that there's a lot of opportunity. There always has been a lot of opportunity to invest in real estate, but now more than ever could be an amazing time to get into real estate investing. So in today's video, I made it a point to come up with 4 easy ways you guys can invest in real estate today. But before we get into that, please hit the subscribe button and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, with that being said, let's get back into the video. So the first way you guys can invest in real estate is fairly simple. It's called being a landlord. What does that mean? It means exactly what it sounds like. You buy a piece of real estate, you rent it out to a tenant, generating income through the rent that your tenant pays to you. So it's a fairly simple process depending on the asset class that you invest in. So the interesting thing about being a landlord is you can invest in many asset classes and still be a landlord, right? So you could invest in commercial real estate, you could invest in homes, you could buy apartment communities, you could buy condos, whatever it is, it's a fairly simple process. And with today's technology, it has become very, very easy to become a landlord. It is no longer the stress that it used to be back in the day. Now, if you still don't like being a landlord, you think it's too management intensive, then the second way to invest in real estate is for you, and that is basically flipping homes or flipping real estate. Now, when I say flipping homes, that could be done in multiple asset classes. There's people out there who are flipping retail centers, there's people out there who are flipping industrial parks, there's people out there who are flipping entire apartment communities. I'm just going to call it flipping homes to keep it simple. So what that means is basically, let's say you bought a home, it needs a lot of work. There's a little bit of heavy lifting here, so you guys need to be able to do some DIY projects, need to be able to undertake some DIY projects or have an understanding on how things are fixed and what type of vendors you're going to need in order to get these things completed. Now, turnaround time for these could be anywhere from 90 days all the way to 1 year, depending on the size of the project and the finishing that you guys are doing. So keep that in mind. It's not something that you can do, it's not something that you do every week. Lots of professional home flippers build a pipeline, so they'll have like 10 homes that they're flipping constantly so that they can get in and out of deals every now and then. But flipping homes is something that is not management intensive. I mean, it is management intensive on the construction side, but you don't really have to deal with a tenant because once you're done flipping, you just sell and you're out. A lot of people have found success in this flipping business model, and it is fairly simple to do that with the help of the internet today to find some of these deals. All you need to do is get on some wholesalers' lists, and they're going to email you product, or they're going to email you real estate that is below market value, and that is truly what you're looking for, guys. The third way, and this is the simplest way of investing in real estate, is to buy a REIT stock. That is correct. You invest in the public markets on the stock exchange and you buy a real estate investment trust. And this basically gives you a certificate, a share, a stock. And what that stock does is it generates quarterly dividends. So it's somebody else managing your money. And they provide you guys with quarterly dividends. And hopefully, if the REIT stock goes up in value, you guys can sell that share at a higher price. Now, investing in a REIT can be complicated. What I would suggest is that you guys look at least the past 10 years on how that REIT is performing and invest wisely into that. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and be very careful when investing in the public markets in general. The fourth, final, and the most fun way of investing in real estate is by investing in real estate investment groups. What this means is that basically there's a group of real estate investors who come together, who pool money together and invest in large real estate projects. And this could be either apartment communities, retail centers, industrial projects, ground up developments. Ground up developments basically means like they buy their land and then they build on it. And these usually are very large projects. You're talking at least $5 million worth of projects. So you'll have a group of people pooling together money so that they can buy larger assets, so that when those assets appreciate, they make a better bang for their buck. This form of real estate investing has become very trendy over the past 5-10 years. A lot of people are doing it, and a lot of people just want to be limited partners, meaning they want to invest in these real estate groups, get all those passive returns, plus they get the added value of depreciation for tax purposes. So with that being said, those are 4 easy ways you guys can start investing in real estate today. Now, if you think now is not the time to invest, what you guys can do is at least start researching these 4 ways and finding out more about them so that whenever you're ready, you know exactly how you plan on investing in real estate. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Once again, smash that like button if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next video.